Look at this. It's coming down in literal sheets. I can barely hear myself talk. Look at that. Listen to that thunder. Oh my God. Look at that drip. That's a lot of rain. It's literal sheets. Oh my God, I feel, where's the cat? Oh God, I feel so bad for the cat. Oh God, oh, my feet are getting wet, and wow. I'm gonna have to do something. Oh God, it's raining so hard, but right now that I can barely hear myself. Oh, did you see that flash? Look at that water running down the street. Look at all that. Oh crud, that was a loud one. Oh, my hair's standing up. I gotta get inside. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, there's the show. Oh no. Now that's just bad. Wow. Oh my God, I think the wind shifted. It's hitting me some. Look over there. It's overflowing the freaking gutters. Let's see what it looks like coming out of the gutters. Right there, look at that. That's, wow. Oh, crud. Look at that trash bin. That trash bin's knocked over. It's filling with water. My God, look at that runoff. That water is really muddy. Whoa. That looks so cool. Oh my God, look down there. Sorry, I see something. Whoa, 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 whoa. Sorry, the stupid bench. What? Look at that. Look at that. Look over there. Holy crud, our plants are gonna die. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh God, and I can't go out there. I wonder what would happen if I stuck that out there. Yeah. There we go. That should fill it up. Oh my God, oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God. It's so rainy. It's such a rainy day. Whoop. That's a little thing. Oh my God, oh my God. I think there was a flash flood warning. So I better be careful. There was a flash flood warning on the, oh my God, I wonder if there's gonna be a tornado. Ooh, that'd be cool. Where's my, oh crud. And I'm the only one home. Ugh. This is so stressful, not knowing if it's gonna flood or if there's gonna be a tornado. There's a car. They're driving through it. I feel like, oh, too bad I can't run out there because I want to run out and play in that water. It looks so cool. Too bad I can't. My feet are starting to get kind of muddy. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. Whoa. No copyright. Let's go look at the back. Let's look back here first. Holy crud! Look at that. Look at that flow. Oh my God. It's coming from the back. Let's see if I can step my foot down in there. Whoop. Woo. That's so cool. I just did that. That was cool. My phone is wet now. Well, let's check out the other side of the house. Let me wipe off the screen real quick. Crud, that didn't help. Well, it doesn't matter. Sorry. Holy mother of whoa! I don't want to get wet, so I can't go out there. But still, look at that! Look at that gush action. Molly, go back in the garage! Get back in the garage, Molly! Molly, get back in the garage! I love you, I know. Get back in the garage. Get back in the garage, Molly. Molly, you gotta get back in the garage. This storm is big. More Family Guy. It's already starting to fill up. Oh, the rain is let up some. You can tell. But the gutters look like they're still working hard. Oh, crud. This is so cool. And look, that's still flooded. That over there is still flooded, see? But whoa, look at this rain. It's calmed down some now, but not too much. Let's do this. Fucking Rusty easy now. Can't believe I actually just did that. Love myself some rain. I can rest easy now. I can rest easy now that the rain is gone. I can usually rest easier when the rain is here. Holy crap. Now this, look at that right there. Those are spider webs. And look down that window well. Woo! Woo wee! Let's step down that. Wash off our feet. Holy crap. Never do that again. Let's look back one more time. Oh, it's slowed down. It's still puddling over there. Look through the window right here. Let's look through this window. It's a much clearer view, honestly. Down there. Look at that. That's a screen. Look at the grill over there. Wonder what the roof would look like right now. But I can't go up in there. Oh, I gotta go to the bathroom, but I can't. Ooh, especially with the video rolling. That one's right there. But watch this. Biddly diddly do. Biddly diddly do. Swap. Diddly diddly do. Rain fun. That is okay. It stopped raining almost completely. But I love the rain, honestly. Did you know that? I absolutely love the rain. If it weren't for rain, I would have many a sleepless night. I just waved to some random person who drove by. Never done that before, other than the last stranger. There's a can of beer, empty one that my dad and mom or mom probably left. Interesting. Sorry, the window's broken. It broke by accident. Look at that. Oh my god. I should really close this just so Mark Puppy doesn't fall down and hurt itself. Oh crud, crud. Crud. Oh crud. There we go. Move it all up. Oh crud. Crud. Didn't close proper. There, I think I closed it. Yep. And now I gotta go to the bathroom. So goodbye, and this was rain fun. Bye.